How did Gujarat become India's industrial powerhouse? Ever imagined? From being known for cotton textiles to becoming the petrochemical hub of India, Gujarat's industrial journey is unmatched. Cities like Surat, Ahmedabad, and Jamnagar, they transformed Gujarat into an economic engine. Again, Reliance set up the world's largest oil refinery here. SEZs attracted global investors. And ports like Mudra, they connected Gujarat to the world. With only 6% of India's population, Gujarat contributes over 17% to India's industrial output. It's no wonder that people call Gujarat the growth engine of India.